I'm currently heading down to the Awka new government house, the one that is under construction. So yesterday being Friday or so, by the time we are watching this video, I filmed this particular one on Friday, being the 10th of January 2025. So we are currently at the Alex Ikweme Road leading down to the government house, and what I just zoom right now is the second gate of Alex Ikweme Square. The name Alex Ikweme has been installed on that entrance. So and other latest updates concerning that part. So right now we are heading down to the main government house. At this particular side where we are currently the road has been asphalted for long, not that too long, ending of last year, being December, which I have showed you everything concerning it on one of my video. So if you have not watched the video, you can go and watch them. The only new thing where I found when I visited this particular one is that the demarcation was touched. The demarcation was a kind of retouched, or new one were placed and the old one were removed. It kind of they expanded it a little bit. They expanded it from bigger than what it used to be before. So right now we're gonna be heading down to see everything for yourself, from the latest update from the route and to the construction of all the buildings inside the government house. Though I do not gain access there, but this time around I was able to capture a glimpse of it from the entrance. So this is what the view of the government house looks like from the Alex Ikweme Square angle. So if you climb the auditorium, you're gonna have a very better view from that side. So this is what it looks like from that angle side. So we are still heading down. You're gonna see everything for yourself. So I'll try to access inside. I almost gain access until somebody else came and said no, it's not allowed, so blah 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 blah. I said, but the whole videos are online. He said no, that maybe those people do this, or maybe they come in convoy, blah 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 blah. So I don't have strength to start arguing with anybody. I just gradually leave the place and do the outside filming like I used to do before. But at least I get a glimpse of what the entrance entrance buildings looks like and the rest. So you're gonna be seeing everything on this video. So for the tower is gradually moving on, like they are gradually building the tower. New things are being attached on the tower, and very soon, like they have resumed the work for this year, very soon we are expecting to see a massive change from the tower side. So that particular building I just viewed, not very full. I think is the federal secretariat. The state secretariat is the one they just newly in a kind of maintained. The road is on the other side of it. So the painting of the wall has also commenced, like you can see in the video. But the only thing I notice here is they are not gonna be using that the previous asthma color, because that yellow and black color is asthma color, like atma color or something. That is their color. So I don't think they're gonna be using that here. So this is what the view looks like from the entrance. Once you come inside the gate from the entrance, this is what the views look like. So once you come from this entrance, which I'm doing right now, the first view you're gonna see is that particular thing I showed you before this one. So you can see that the painting has already commenced on the wall. So they are doing it gradually and they are moving. So before you know it, the painting will go round. So there's other little touchings that is being done on the wall. They are still doing some little touching on the wall, and the street lights has also got into this angle. As you can see in the video, the poles for the street light has been installed on all the fence, so heading down to the back, you're gonna be seeing another little changes, because the second to last, or the previous time we showed you some of this video, we told you that they are attaching extra layers of fence on the already constructed fence from the behind. This time around they are still opening it, but not in the form of upping the whole full fence. They are kind of upping the pillars. So I don't know, I'm not sure what their aim is by upping the pillars. Maybe they want to put maybe kind of designs on it, or block it somehow with the pan, just like the way it is in the Fun City. Maybe that is what they want to do here. So but we're gonna be watching and see everything as they unfold. So for me, I will just say what they are trying to protect over this angle is maybe for those living on the upstairs, maybe those upstairs within this area. They are trying to block the views of inside the government house from those people. Maybe that's what they are trying to do over here. So the thing continue from that second gate down to all the backs. So this is how it looks like. They are upping the old pillars, and by the time they are complete, we see what is being meant for. So for now, I'm not really sure, but all I can say, my instinct tells me that it's just for blockage of views from those living up in the upstairs, and to up the to protect the inside more from the outside. I don't know. So we're gonna be seeing everything when they are completed. This is what the view looks like, although from the behind, like I told you the previous time I wanted to show you this view. I think sunlight were shining on my camera, so this time around I have a better view, and that is what you just watch. So from here we're gonna be heading down where they currently stopped this work. And again, at this arena, within this area, I think there are numerous estates within this angle. By my left there is estate, by my right there is also an estate. So they have numerous estates here. So this is where they currently the asphalting currently ends for now. So after this angle, the rest is just leveling of ground down to the covert, to that covert which they newly constructed. So just leveling of ground. But the thing is, I don't think they have resumed the work this year on these sections, because no tractor or any workers are on site at the time of filming this video. So I don't think they have resumed the work for this year. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel and click on the thumb up button, which is the like button, and don't forget to share, and don't also forget to tell us what you feel and your own opinion concerning the ongoing project and all the road construction and the rest. Remember, we told you previous time where the dualization ends is before the second gate of the government house, then heading down to here. The dualization do not continue. So bye guys, and do have a wonderful day till we come again with another update.